So good morning. It's another beautiful morning over here in the Bitterroot Valley. We're about to go hit a little side creek off of the main route, and hopefully the fish will be hitting and it'll be a good day. But I bet you guys enjoy that sunshine in the background. Parachutes? Yeah, 2 parachutes. Put that Kolbi is out. So super slow day out here on the route. Tried a couple spots, only caught one. Again, real slow day, but you know, that's the whole thing about fishing. Did a double dry dropper for a little bit, then I changed to a double dry, and then I went to a dry dropper, and then only got like one other flash, and that was it. It was a real slow day. I don't know about the heat or the water's warming up, but yeah, that's just how it goes with fishing.